So today we have a Sony WH-1000X M3 set of Bluetooth headphones, and they have a little bit of a problem. You can't push this in, it won't go in. And it's stuck here. There's another problem, which is that a piece is missing here. And we're not going to be fixing this one, since it's really hard to fix. I may take a look at fixing one later, but not in this one. We'll fix this, however. There are two screws in the bottom of the hinge. With that, you can open up the inside. And you can see tubing here. You need to guide the tubing to go inside. And once it goes inside, you can close this thing. But the thing is that this thing doesn't stay closed if it's just like this. So we're just going to use some Kapton tape to close that so that it doesn't open. Not the cleanest fix, but since in this case we are not trying to win any beauty prizes, just to get the thing back in working order. And with that, it works. Sadly, this particular part here is really hard to fix. I've tried to fix these before, and the problem is that the glue doesn't have the tensile strength to hold it in. So when you're trying to put this thing back in, it'll break this part. I've been thinking that maybe if I'd use a metal piece forced in from the top, like a piece of wire that's been heated up, I could possibly push it in and then use some milliputty to recreate the thing. But since they just need to work, it's not really worth the effort. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.